Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. Because today, we're diving into something super exciting, the future of Bitcoin and how you can get in on the action. So let's start with the million-dollar question. Is Bitcoin still worth your time? Spoiler alert, it absolutely is. But before we jump into trading tactics and predictions, let's take a step back. A lot of people think Bitcoin is just some passing trend, but it's so much more than that, it's a revolution. Remember when Bitcoin was just a couple of bucks? Fast forward to today, and it's been through insane highs and lows. But here's the kicker. Experts are predicting that Bitcoin could hit new all-time highs in the coming years. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. The world is becoming more digital, and with inflation on the rise and traditional investments getting shaky, more folks are turning to Bitcoin as a hedge. It's like digital gold. Bitcoin isn't just popular with tech geeks and investors. Big corporations are getting in on it too. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy are holding significant amounts. If they see the future in Bitcoin, shouldn't we at least pay attention? Okay, let's break it down now. You want to start trading Bitcoin, but where do you begin? First things first, education is key. I'm going to share my favorite resources and platforms to get you started. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. They offer tutorials that cover everything from setting up your wallet to how to make your first trade. Trust me, you'll want to familiarize yourself with these. But let's not just stop at basics. Here's my secret sauce, always do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose and think long-term. Bitcoin trading can be wild and unpredictable. You'll need to strap in for this roller coaster ride. Stay updated. It's crucial to keep an eye on market trends, news, and regulations. A regulatory change can send shockwaves through the market, so make sure you're in the loop. You're in for a wild ride and your future self will thank you. And finally, let's talk about community. Join forums, Telegram groups, or even Discord channels. Networking with fellow traders is invaluable. I've met some amazing people who have shared tips that have literally changed my trading game. So there you have it. The future of Bitcoin is bright, and with the right knowledge and tools, you can be a part of this crypto revolution. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this info helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Let's start this journey together. Until next time, keep hustling.